Is it natural for horses to be a bit standoffish? I mean, horses have different personalities, right? Some are quiet, some are introverts, but what about standoffish? One of my students had a client whose main description of her horse was that she was a bit standoffish. Now, standoffish means aloof and reserved and slightly unfriendly. Is this normal? Is that a personality trait? Let me share this case report with you from my student, and we'll see what you think. Hi, I'm Dr. Renee Tucker, equine holistic veterinarian for over 30 years and the creator of the Tucker BioKinetic Technique University. So, one of our students had a Connemara pony, and she was in module 4 out of 7, turned in the big case report, which I love reading, and it was just all about this Connemara pony named Mary, we'll call her. So, yes, Mary was standoffish, and she's so cute. Look at her picture. She's just the kind of horse you just want to cuddle and hug her. But she didn't like that. She didn't like that. There's just her personality. So they said. And what my student found, though, is that much of her was misaligned. Now, when I look through all of these results on this case report, there's lots of problems. She doesn't want people to really touch her so much, particularly on the head or neck. She doesn't like her legs picked up at all, particularly the right front. And she does not want to put particularly the right front up on the farrier stand. That is just not happening. Now, this Connemara pony, she's only a year and a half, a bit over that. But people attribute that to her personality and inexperience. She just needed more training, more experience being handled. That's what they figured. Now, as a traditional vet, I wouldn't have a clue. We don't talk about personalities in vet school. I just figure if she's always been like that, that's probably her personality. So that's the way it is, right? Well, as it turns out, it doesn't have to be that way. So this standoffish pony, Mary, after our student looked at her and figured out all her issues, realigned everything, when she rechecked her the next, I think a month later, she was much changed. She was more spirited, more spunky. She allowed people to touch her everywhere. She could put her foot up on the farrier stand without a problem. And most of all, she liked being pet and hugged. And in fact, I just got a report from her, an email, saying now, Mary, when people come in the barn first thing in the morning, it is a must that first you must give Mary a nice cuddle and hug before you can do anything else, or she'll just keep getting in the way. So just an adorable change for an adorable pony. And I just want to share that with you because standoffish, slightly unfriendly, isn't actually right for a horse. And I think any animal. I think all animals are designed to be loved and have affection in some way. So if you have a horse who just doesn't want to be petted or hugged or doted on, groomed in any way, or just have any affection, that's a sign of a problem. Maybe they're uncomfortable in their body. Maybe they have emotional issues, which we also deal with TBT. Whatever. But those little standoffish uncomfortableness, that's a sign. That's your clue. Something's up. But you can fix it. I always say you can fix anything. Give it enough time.